cold, my search for gold is leading nowhere. Whichever lonely road I take, it seems to go where. It's a fight to survive just until tomorrow. How can I display what I know I'm worthy of when they turn me away? The doors are closed to such as I, a boy from nowhere, but not to those who merely buy the right to go where. They'll be met with respect, not humiliation. A man's place on earth, I have come to realize, is decided by birth. So what's the future? No matter where I go, I will still belong. In Andalusia, where we don't know where the next man is coming from, something's wrong. I vow to Spain and won't remain a boy from nowhere. There has to be a place for me, and I must go there. I don't fantasize, unlike a million others who must bow and scrape. For my one means of escape is to flourish a cape. I fight all odds and fight the gods if they oppose me. I have to win, I won't give in. No one who knows me would expect me to fail for the once of trying. Not a man alive had to beg or steal or fight more than me to survive. So what's the future? No matter where I go, I will still belong. In Andalusia, where good honest men grow weak while the rich grow strong, something's wrong. Another dawn, another boy, a boy from nowhere. My destiny will guarantee I'll only go where. It's a fight to survive just until tomorrow. One more mouth to feed, and the